Welcome to this video. In this video, I will explain a complete React project. This project implements a community-based question and answer platform with user authentication, a chatbot feature, and dynamic routing. We shall cover the key parts of the application, including the main components, state management, Redux setup, and how everything works together. First of all, this is our app component. Let's start with the main file, that is app.js. This is the heart of this project and it brings everything together. Here is how it works. Routing. We are using browser router from React router to handle all the navigation in the app. State management. Two states is open and is verified. Manage the chatbot's visibility and verification status. Then dispatch action. When the app loads, we dispatch two actions: fetch all questions and fetch all users. This ensures that our app always has the latest data about users and questions from the server. Then here's chatbot integration, a button toggle the chatbot component providing user with quick help. Routing with all routes. Here, the route for the app are defined in the all route component. The routes for the app are defined in the all route component. Here how it's structured. Slash points to the home component which serve as a landing page. Slash auth takes the user to the authentication page where they can log in or sign up. Slash ask question lets user submit new question. Slash question list all the questions available on the database. And slash question slash id gives the question according to the question id. Slash tags organizes question by their tags. Slash users display a list of all users, and slash user id shows the profile of a specific user. There are also routes for community features. Slash community shows a list of companies, and slash company allows adding new ones by showing the form. This list makes the app easy to navigate. State management using Redux. Now, let's talk about state management. We are using Redux to manage the global state of the app. Here's breakdown of the reducers. Auth reducer handles user authentication, stores the user profile in local storage when they log in and clears it when they log out. Current user reducer track the currently logged in user. Then questions reducer manages the state of all questions, handles action like posting a question, posting an answer, and fetching all questions. These are the cases I defined here. And users reduction manages the list of all users, updates user information dynamically when changes are made. These reducers are combined in the index.js file under the reducers directory. You can see here uh, we have combined all the reducers here in the index.js file. Now let's overview the components. Navbar provides navigation links to different parts of an app like question, tags, and user. Profile bio mm, displays user information such as the tag as they follows their bio. If no tag, bio or tags are available, it shows a placeholder message. You can see here profile bio. It just display user information such as the tags they follow and their bio and all. Then user profile displays detailed information about a specific user. This component displays the information about a specific user, including their name, company position, and the date they join. Here you can see that. Then users list. The users component fetches and displays a list of all users. Each user is displayed as a link to their profile. Questions. Questions. Mhm. List all the question posted on the platform. Clicking on a question takes the user to the detail page, then chatbot and all. I have mentioned here. It's not possible to explain all the parts, so I am just giving a brief information. This chatbot is toggle on or off with a button. I already explained in the app.js. Once open, it provides assistance based on the user's input. It made a post request on this backend part I hosted on render, and if we try to run it locally, we have to give it address as localhost 5000, as our backend is mapped on 5000 port. Styling. For styling, you can see I have included this .css file in each of the directory here. So with each component having its own CSS file, this keeps the code base modular and easy to maintain. So if I need to change some CSS over here, and I can just have to modify this particular file, not the other. So it's easy to maintain. Actions. The actions are the bridge between components with and the Redux store. We define two key files, question.js and users.js. Question.js fetches all the question from the backend. You can see here, these are the Redux we already defined, and I already explained you earlier. And users.js fetches all user data and updates the user profile as needed. These actions are dispatched using useDispatch in the app component. I already told you, but still, I'm just yeah, here using the useDispatch. In summary, I can tell that this app has a clean architecture with separate component actions, reducer, and roots. You can see here, I have separated all the components, and it's one of the specialty of React. We just make each component separately and then add together where we needed it. Redux ensures smooth state management. Routing is initiative making the app user friendly. Features like a chatbot and user profile add depth and interactivity. This project showcase how to build a scalable and feature-rich application in React. That's it for this walkthrough. I hope it gives you a clear understanding how everything works together. I will just give a quick demo how it works.